Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and all of you who are new to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm Shreya Agarwal and I am here to entertain you with my fashion and beauty tips out there. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it right now. It will mean the absolute world to me. And in today's video, I'm going to create this look over here, which you all have requested me to do it as per the poll on Instagram. And yes guys, अगर आपने मुझे वहाँ पे follow नहीं किया तो please do it. It will mean again the absolute world to me. And अगर आपको ये लुक अभी अच्छा लग रहा है देन कमेंट बिलो एंड टेल मी कि मैं और कौन से लुक्स आप लोगों के लिए क्रिएट करूँ, बिकॉज मेरे को ये लुक क्रिएट करने में बहुत मज़ा आया एंड इट जेन्युइनली टुक मी लेस देन 15 मिनट्स टू डू इट वाइल फिल्मिंग, बिकॉज फिल्मिंग के साथ कोई लुक क्रिएट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. अदरवाइज़ अगर आप नॉर्मली क्रिएट करोगे तो 5x लेस टाइम में यू कैन क्रिएट अ लुक, विच इज़ what I feel. So yes guys, now let's get in the video. So for today's look, I'm going to use two palettes over here. First one is this Naked Urban Decay Heat palette, and these are the pretty colors we have. I love all these colors guys. It's a very universal palette I believe, because most of my looks are from this palette only. And the second one I have for you is the Huda Beauty one. This one is also a very pretty one, and these are the colors over here. I am obsessed with the blue it has, because they are such pretty shadows that you can't resist yourself using them. The three pigments which I'm going to use from the Urban Decay palette are these. First one is the Low Blow, then the reddish color, and the last one is the Ashes color. So these are the three shades which I'm going to use for creating the upper lid ombre effect. It's kind of a smoky shades or a smoky eye look as well. For people who don't like to go with blacks, they can definitely go with this brown smoky look. First, I'm going to create a transition shade. As you all know, I love that look because transition shades are bae, and without a transition shade, your eyes can never look good. Trust me on that. Okay, so for the transition shade, I'm going to use the Low Blow color over here, and now I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid. I'm just gonna cover the whole of my eye over here, because this is like a shade which will create a base for me as well. Should I come a little more closer to you guys? I feel I'm a little too far right now. Yeah, I think I need to come a little closer for the look. Yeah, now it's fine, I believe so. And yeah. So this is the transition shade I'm using over here. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye as well. So I believe I need to use a little lighter shade as well. So for the transition, I'm using one more shade from the palette, which is Sourced, and I'm just gonna put it over here. I'm not gonna take it towards the lid or make like how I used the previous color. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it over the high point of my eye, like on only this part, just for making the transition look more light. And then when you use the smoky colors, then it will enhance your eye look. So yeah, I'm done. I'm not playing a lot with the color. A little over here will give me that look. So we are done, and now I'm going to take the shade En Fuego. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is the shade I'm going to use. This is known as En Fuego. It's a little towards a warm reddy shade, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my brush and just using it for my crease. Also guys, I'm not taking the crease towards the inner eye also. I'm just gonna do it towards the outer eye itself, so that the whole eye is not looking very smoky, or there is not a lot happening on the eye, because this is a very subtle look. The only popping thing is the under eye look. So yeah, I don't want to make it very dramatic on the upper eye. So you can see already the smokiness is starting to appear, which is the look I was looking for. Yeah, I'm liking it. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I took one more shade, which is Cyan. So this is the shade Cyan and Enfuego. These are the two shades I'm going to use, and I'm just going to mix both them together and then do my smokiness, so that it isn't looking too dark and giving me the exact second ombre look, ombre color basically, which I wanted. And yeah, you can see, guys, I'm done. Now moving on to the last color, which is Ashes, and I'm just gonna place it right over here. I'm just depositing the color and just doing it. I'm not taking towards the inner eye at all. I'm just focusing on the outer part because this is what we need to highlight right now. So yeah, you can see I'm not doing a lot with it. So I am done. Can you see, guys, this look was so easy to create. Like, I don't think I even took 2 minutes to do this because I had the exact shades which I wanted, so I didn't have to play a lot with my colors also. And yeah, it actually gave me the look I wanted. And now what I'm going to do is I'm again going to go to the first shade, which is Sauced, and then just again lighten it a bit so that it gives me that good ombre effect where all my colors are brilliantly shown off, which is what I wanted. So yeah, perfect. I am loving this look, and now I'm going to create the same eye look on my left eye as well. Also, guys, this look is so easy to create that anybody out there can create it. And one more thing, guys, if you create this look this Diwali season, like the whole thing or just the upper eye thing, do tag me. I would love to see your way of doing the smoky eye as well. So yeah, do let me know. Just tag me on Instagram, guys. I will just mention my Instagram handle right over here, and yeah, you can tag me whenever you create this pretty look. Also done with my left eye as well, just putting the last shade, which is Ashes, for the smokiness, and then we are done. Also, guys, please don't take your pigment in the first go itself. Try to build it up, otherwise it will just end up as a blob of color and there will be no shading or transition kind of a thing going on. It will look really bad. You can see I'm done with the look. And now I'm going to do the favorite part, which is doing the lower lash line. And for that I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette over here. For my under eyes I'm going to use this brush. So first of all I'm going to go with this matte shade over here, because I feel that directly going with the shimmer doesn't help me a lot. So yeah. Also, the matte shade I'm using is exactly the same color as the shimmer which I'm going to use. Also, guys, I'm not going like really down towards the under eye. I'm just taking it a little because I feel कि ज़्यादा करने से ना वो उतना अच्छा look create नहीं करेगा on my eye, because my eyes are not like too big or something like that. So yeah, I don't want my eyes to look smaller than the usual I have. So yeah, this is how the look is gonna come out. Now I'm going to use the shimmer and I'm going to use the same brush for that. सो इससे प्लस पॉइंट क्या होता है गाइस कि जब आप शिमर यूज़ करते हो तो वो डायरेक्टली आपकी आइज़ पे इतनी अच्छी तरह आता नहीं है, एंड ऑब्वियसली आपको अंडर आई पे लगाना है तो आप अपने हैंड्स एंड फिंगर्स को भी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. सो फॉर दैट थिंग इट्स बेटर कि आप पहले एक मैट शेड लगा लो, सो दैट जब आप शिमर शेड उसके ऊपर लगाओगे ना तो अगर कहीं कहीं पे शिमर नहीं भी लगेगा तो वो आपके मैट शेड से हाइड हो जाएगा एंड वो पूरा का पूरा शिमरी लुक देगा. इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट गोइंग विद द शिमर, ट्राई दिस टेक्निक तो आपको ज़्यादा हेल्प होगी, स्पेशली फॉर माई बिगनर फ्रेंड्स. I always use this technique when I do something different for my under eyes. I think you guys are able to see. And yeah, कैन सी कि ये आई पे इतना मैट लगाने से कोई बहुत फ़र्क नहीं आया कि मतलब मेरी आइज़ शिमर शेड को ग्रैब नहीं कर रही हो. आई कैन सी द शिमर शेड इज़ लुकिंग वेरी डन, एंड आप लोगों को ये टेक्निक यूज़ करनी चाहिए बिकॉज आई फील कि ये बहुत ईजी टेक्निक होती है एंड आपके शिमर्स भी दिखाई देने लगते हैं. एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू डू द सेम थिंग ऑन माई अदर आई. And can you see, within a minute I am able to create the look ऑन द अंडर आई. वरना अगर आप ये खाली शिमर यूज़ कर रहा होता ना गाइस तो अभी मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता कि मेरा शिमर कलर स्टैंड आउट हो, बिकॉज शिमर कलर में क्या होता है आप चाहते हो कि वो जो कलर है शिमर का वो भी स्टैंड आउट हो एंड द ग्लिटर विच इज़ देयर इन योर शिमर शेड वो भी स्टैंड आउट हो. तो उसके लिए बेटर टेक्निक होती है कि आप पहले एक सेम शेड का मैट कलर यूज़ करो एंड देन गो विद द सेम शेड ऑफ शिमर. तो उससे आपकी दोनों चीज़ें आ जाती हैं कि बिकॉज मैट कलर्स आर ऑलवेज रियली पिगमेंटेड एंड शिमर शेड्स में आपको होता है यू हैव टू वर्क अ लिटिल बिट मोर विद देम. तो इस वाली टेक्निक से वो वाला मैटर आपको बहुत ईजीली सॉल्व हो जाता है. And yes guys, I am actually done with my eye thing, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tight line my eyes with a kajal and also put the kajal on my waterline because I love kajal a lot. Let me show you the whole effect without using any kajal or something, because many people out there don't like to put any such thing. So I'm going to use this kajal from My Glam to tight line and also use it on my waterline. This is a very simple way of tight lining your eyes. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Lastly, I'm just gonna put mascara. Of course, we all know mascara actually enhances the look to a next level. So yeah, let's do it. So the next thing we are left with is highlighter. So I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye. Just a little bit. So I'm taking a very thin, like a pointed kind of a brush, because I want a very precise application, and I'm gonna do it on my brow bone as well, because it just defines your eyes and your eye look also starts to look really neat. Okay guys, so I'm actually done with the look and I'm really loving it, because this is such a simple look to create and yet is such dramatic to look at. Looks like you have put in so much of effort, but in real we all know it just took us 15 minutes or less than that. See guys, it took me a little more time because I was filming it for you all, and also like I have to see ki products are visible or not, like if I am visible to you or not. So there are a lot of things when you film a video, but when you do it for your own self, it is like jhat 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 jhat, because obviously you don't have to film it for somebody else, you just have to do it on your own. And the smoky eye look is very easy because you are just using browns, so usme you are not afraid of like applying the eye shadows, because अगर mistakes होती भी है तो brown में वो इतना visible नहीं होती, black या grey color होता है उसमें ज़्यादा visibility होती है of making mistakes, और वो दिखाई भी ज़्यादा देता है. So yeah, and under eye look तो आपको पता ही है मैंने कितना easily किया, just 2 eye shadows and I was done. and जो technique मैंने आपको explain किया, I hope ये आपको next eye look create करने में help करे. So yes guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do then you know the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean the absolute world to me. Till then, bye bye. Love you.